and today I am going to show you salty straws experiment. So let's start. So we require for this experiment is some glasses which are filled with water, food coloring, salt and a straw. Instead of straw, you can use a dropper. So let's start. Now take 5 glasses which are filled with water and then add 1 tablespoon of salt in the first glass, 2 tablespoons in the second glass, 3 tablespoons in the third glass, 4 tablespoons in the fourth glass, and 5 tablespoons in the fifth glass. I added 1 tablespoon of salt in the first glass, 2 tablespoons in the second glass, 3 tablespoons in the third glass, 4 tablespoons in the fourth glass and 5 tablespoons in the fifth glass. Now we are going to add the food colorings. So first yellow, then pink, then green, red, and blue. I added different types of food coloring and now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly. Now take a straw and dip it in the yellow glass. Block the other end with the thumb. Up and into the pink glass. Release the thumb. You will notice the water gets released. Now dip it into the pink glass. Block the other end with the thumb. Up and into the green glass. Release it. Now again dip it in the green glass. Block it the other end with the thumb. Up into the red glass. Release it. Then dip it in the red glass. Block it with the thumb on the other end. Up and into the blue glass. Release it. I added the yellow water in the pink water. Look, it is floating. The pink water in the green water. The pink water is floating. The green water in the red water. The green water is floating. And the red water in the blue water. Look, it is floating. Do you know why this happened? Let's find out the logic. The salt changes the density of the water. Since the first glass was the least dense, it remains on the top. So this is how to do salty straws experiment. Thank you for watching this video. Till that time, bye-bye.